Hey, it's Shay here, and right now in this video I want to show you 3 networks that I just recently showed my students, and it's actually a campaign that I recently also just started a few days ago, and it's already making an average of $300 plus per day. So I'm just going to try to keep this video short. I know many of my other videos go a little bit longer, so I'm just going to jump straight into the first network here. And let me just extend these main campaigns out. I'm just going to expand those. Alright, so I started these campaigns amongst these 3 networks I'm going to show you. So this is network 1. Alright, so I started it on the 8th of May. Today is now the 11th of May, and we are just over halfway through the day. And I also just want to add something super unique about these networks, and that is that I'm actually getting paid for just generating clicks. Okay, so if you take this network for example, it sort of explains it. You know, most of the time when you check your reports in a network, you may have, for example, 100 clicks. Your offer may be converting at 10%, so you may in this column see 10 sales or conversions. But as you can see, it's 100% across the board here. Okay, so what's actually happening here is I'm getting paid literally for generating the click. And if we take this offer here again, so I've actually generated 343 clicks. All right, the average earnings per click, the EPC, is $1.05, and that has made $358.94. Okay, this campaign here also highlighted, close to $300 again. As you can see, some of the clicks actually jump up to $2 a click, and that's actually not that great compared to the other 2 networks that I'm going to show that I was also running together with this network, because I was actually rotating the same traffic source amongst these 3 different networks. Alright, so, and I will actually just jump over to the next one, this one here. Now, as you can see, the clicks are actually better. The RPC, it's called here, revenue per click, as you can see, $4.84 a click, $5, $5.15 a click, $4.45 a click. Okay, so that's what I'm, again, getting paid for generating a click. So for today, for example, so we're again on the 11th. I've got the same dates in here as the previous network because I started them together. So I've generated 28 clicks I've sent to this network, $4.45 per click, and that's made $124.54 just for today so far. And we're actually only about halfway through the day. Now I'm just going to jump over to the 3rd network now. And as you can see, the clicks are even better in this one, up to $6.30 per click. Alright, and that is actually the awesome thing about making money with clicks specifically. Because you are getting paid for generating the click, basically on the front end. And if you don't understand what I'm saying when I say some of these things, don't worry about that. It doesn't matter for now. You may be in the same boat as many of my students who are just starting out. Everyone has to start somewhere. Maybe you are already making some money online. Everyone's at different points, but just continue following along with my video anyway. And the point I'm trying to make is you don't have to generate many clicks to make a decent amount of money, because, it's really clear. Look, I've only generated 14 clicks and I was getting $6.30 for each of those 14 clicks to make $88.20. And, that's just in one network. If we add and average these 3 networks out, it's already doing just over $300 a day. And again, I enjoy showing these campaigns that I start from scratch so I can then pass them on to my students so they can basically run the exact same campaigns. And you know what? I'm willing to show you exactly what I show my students for a small amount of time, and if you are serious. Because here's the thing, I'm not willing to spend my time teaching people what I do to make this kind of money online. I'm only willing to pass over my knowledge to those, again, who are truly serious and want to make this happen for themselves. And if you believe that is you, if you are truly serious about making a consistent, good level income online, or you even want to take your income to the next level, then all you have to do is take action. So right now, just click the link at the top of the description. I'll just have a really short, quick link to get over to my site. It'll just be a bit.ly link, so just click that, jump over to my site right here. I'm just going to go along so you can follow as well. So as soon as you're on the site here, just enter in your email address right here in the email field. Put in your best email address here, then just click the Get Access button right here. There's just one final thing to do, and that is to check your email address. Go check your inbox at the email address that you just typed in, that you just entered on my site. Because in that email, I'm going to send you my welcome email, which is going to contain a bunch of important information to help you get started right now. So be sure to do that, complete these quick, simple steps while I still have this thing open. And you know what, if you have any questions at all, as soon as you open up my welcome email, just hit reply on that and ask me any questions you like. It's going to come straight back to me and I'll reply to you. So do that now, take action, and I look forward to working with you really soon.